Hey, what's happening? This is JG with Kuryakyn, and today we're going to talk about our variety of LED turn signal bulbs, inserts, and conversions, all of which are going to be way better than your stock bulbs, and all are going to transform your ride's lighting in a matter of minutes. LED turn signal inserts are nothing new. We introduced them to our customers about a decade ago, and today there are plenty of options and price points on the market, including within our own lineup here at Kuryakyn. Our plug-and-play LED turn signal upgrade options are priced and categorized into what's essentially a good, better, best rating system. Each have their own unique features, but all are going to increase turn signal output and intensity to help you be seen day or night. This video will break down the differences that set our options apart from not only each other, but also the competition. Now, before we break down the specifics of each of these options, it's important to note that all of them are intended to be used with the stock Harley-Davidson bullet or flat style turn signal housings. There's typically no wiring required unless you have an older non-CAN bus model. These are all CAN bus compatible, so that means if you can change a bulb, you can upgrade your ride to LED. Up first in our good category are the high intensity LED bulbs. Not only are these incredibly bright, but they are also simple direct replacements for any 1157, 1156, or 3157 style filament bulb. Unlike most LED bulbs, our high intensity bulbs feature chip on board technology, or COB, which offers a couple of major benefits over standard LED output. Chip-on-board light sources allow greater LED packing density, which improves light efficiency and overall output, as well as reduces glare effects and light loss. Additional COB LED benefits include minimal current draw, improved resistance to vibration, and longer lifespan compared to traditional LED or filament bulbs. High-intensity bulbs reuse OEM lenses and are available in a variety of functions, including the popular white running light amber turn signal combo up front, as well as single and dual function red or amber options in the rear. They are multi-fit, meaning they'll fit any turn signals that use the aforementioned 1156, 1157, or 3157 style bulbs. However, take note of the dimensions compared to your stock bulbs to make sure there's enough clearance with the OEM lenses for proper fitment. Up next in the better category are our LuminEZ LED turn signal inserts for Harley-Davidson. Looking at the LuminEZ and the polycarbonate lens specifically, you'll notice that it is overmolded completely over the circuit board as well as the LED chip board. So you get full protection from any moisture and vibration, and it's really going to add to the longevity and overall performance of this insert. Like the high intensity bulbs, LuminEZ inserts reuse stock lenses or any aftermarket lens and bezel combo designed for stock HD turn signal housings. Unlike high intensity bulbs, LuminEZ inserts are a large flat circuit board that are packed with LEDs and protected by a polycarbonate lens. The poly LuminEZ lens protects the LED circuit board from vibration and moisture that can creep in behind the stock lenses. And it also adds a really unique look to the halo style running light with its integrated horizon line. Output is crisp, intense, and incredibly bright compared to stock filament bulbs. LuminEZ inserts are DOT approved and fit a wide range of Harley-Davidson bullet or flat style turn signal housings. Multiple front or rear 1156 and 1157 functions are offered, including the popular white running light amber turn signal switchback combo. LuminEZ are CAN bus compatible, however non-CAN bus models will require load EQs or flasher relays, available separately at Kuryakyn.com. Sitting at the top of our LED upgrade food chain is the Tracer LED turn signal conversions for Harley-Davidson models. Right off the bat with the Tracer turn signal conversions, you'll notice they are a more robust unit. They have a fully incorporated polycarbonate lens, aluminum metal backing, and watertight seal going around the edges to eliminate any moisture from creeping in and damaging the circuit board. The signature style of our Tracer LED collection is that smooth, intense, racetrack-style lighting effect, similar to what you see on today's high-end cars and trucks. Tracer's fully diffused output produces a concentrated, even glow that is 100% unique compared to anything in the Harley-Davidson aftermarket today. Now, since we launched Tracer, a lot of people have asked us what fully diffused means, and what it means is there's zero dots, zero glare effect, zero shadowing, and it's going to be a really even and intense output that's nice and crisp and unmistakably Tracer. As you can see, compared to the stock bulbs here, you just get a nice crisp output, and there's really no comparison. Like LuminEZ, DOT-approved Tracer conversions are also direct replacements for 1156 and 1157 front or rear applications. Lenses are available in smoke, red, or amber, and in a variety of different single and dual circuit functions, including white run amber turn switchback up front. Tracer turn signal conversions are CAN bus compatible and will also work on non-CAN bus models with the addition of load equalizers or flasher relays, which again are sold on Kuryakyn.com. So that gives you a brief overview of our good, better, and best selection of easy LED turn signal upgrades. If you have any questions on the bulbs, the LuminEZ, or the tracer turn signal conversions, hit us in the comments, hit us in the DMs, or visit www.kuryakyn.com for more information on all of our LED upgrades.